Hello viewers! Let me show you some seeds that I'll be planting today. Snake tomato, coriander, fennel, spinach, flax, pumpkin, that's 7 seeds in total. Here are the containers I will be planting into today. 1 seed type into 1 bowl. I need to make holes under each container. This is to drain excess water from the soil and promote aeration. I'll be using a soldering iron to do this. Take a closer look at the holes. Do this for all the containers. Next, we need soil. I'm using cocopiat instead of regular soil. Cocopiat is made from coconut husks. Cocopiat naturally restricts weeds from growing, so it's beginner-friendly. I'll be crushing this into the bowls for planting. In this bowl, I have crushed some cocopiat and mixed in some water. Let's add some more water. And break any remaining lumps. Take a look at it now. I'm scooping the cocopiat mixture into each container. An inch or 2 is fine. Do the same for the rest. Next, scoop the seeds into each container. Next, spread another layer of cocopiat to cover the seeds. A closer look. Finally, cover each container to lock in moisture. Label each seed container so you don't forget. Now your seeds are on track. Make sure to keep them in a cool, dark place until they start sprouting. Happy gardening!